ना, दादाजी को बहुत मिस कर रही थी और वो दिया जलाकर बैठ गई थी। हमेशा याद करती रहती थी सारी बातें अपनी, है ना, हमेशा याद करती रहती थी, दादाजी को याद करती थी। जो लोग उन्हें पसंद नहीं करते थे उनको सोचती रहती थी कैसे लोग हैं, मेरी बुराइयां करते हैं। पैसे उनके पास धीरे धीरे खत्म हो गए थे, है ना बेटे। अब देखो आगे, उनकी आंखों में आंसू देख लेखक से रहा नहीं गया। उन्होंने दादी से रोने का कारण पूछा। दादी मुस्कुराते हुए प्यार से उन्हें खींचकर रसोई में खाना खिलाने ले गई। अगले दिन लेखक ने देखा दादी माँ ने दादाजी की दी हुई निशानी सोने के कंगन संदूक से निकालकर पिताजी को दिए ताकि वह कर्जा चुका सके। देखो बेटा, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। यस, आई वांट टू आस्क सम क्वेश्चन। हु इज आस्किंग? आन्या। आन्या, रेज योर हैंड। वेयर इज आन्या? आन्या, यस, आन्या। हाँ जी बेटे, पूछो।
माघ मई का महीना होता है।
माघ, माघ महीना ठंड का बेटे। ठीक है, चलिए अभी मैं आपको सेंड करूंगी, उसमें देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। चलिए, हाँ दादी, अब देखो जो है दादाजी को याद करके बेटे, बाद में भी एक कंप्लीट होने वाला है, रुको 2 मिनट। दादाजी को याद करके दादी रोने लगी और संदूक पर बैठी थी दिया जलाए। तो इतने में लेखक आए, इन्होंने देखा कि दादी रो रही। इन्होंने पूछा दादी आप क्यों रो रही हो? तो उन्होंने टाल दिया कि बच्चे को दुख होगा, तो उन्होंने उसको टाल दिया बात पर, बोला चलो चलो खाना खाएंगे, खाना बन गया। वो जबरदस्ती उन्हें खाना खिलाने ले गई और बात को वहीं काट दिया। और जब एक दिन उसके पिताजी बड़े होकर बैठे थे कि मैं कर्जा कैसे चुकाऊंगा, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, संदूक खोला और अपने मतलब अपने पति की निशानी जो थी एक सोने का कड़ा, वो किसको दे दिया? पिताजी को दे दिया, लेखक के पिताजी को, और बोला कि जाओ और जाकर अपना कर्जा चुका दो। कितने दिल वाली थी, बड़े दिल वाली थी। देखो बेटे, अब दूसरा देखो यहाँ, ये लास्ट। लेखक को दादी माँ किसी शाब्दिक देवी सी लगी। लेखक अतीत से वर्तमान में लौट आया। अतीत यानी पूरी जो पुरानी यादें याद कर रहा था उनसे वो अब बैकग्राउंड जो चल रहा था वो वर्तमान में आ गया, यानी रियल टाइम में। बड़े भाई का लिखा पत्र अब उसके हाथों में कांप रहा था और वह यकीन नहीं कर पा रहा था कि दादी माँ सचमुच नहीं रही। बहुत सी चीजें बेटे मैं शुरू से एक बार रिमाइंड करा रही हूँ। सबसे पहले दादी माँ क्या, सबसे पहले लेखक का बीमार पड़ना, लेखक की दादी माँ के द्वारा सेवा होना, घर का घरेलू उपचार करना, लेखक का ठीक हो जाना, रामी की चाची से कर्जे की बात होना, उसके बाद बड़े भाई का विवाह फिक्स होने के बाद रामी की चाची से वो करना, रामी की चाची से कर्जे की बात करना, कर्जा माफ कर देना। उसके बाद रामी की चाची से कर्जे माफ कर देने के बाद क्या था बेटे, मैं 1 मिनट में रिमाइंड कर लेती हूँ, माइंड में दिखा रही हूँ। हाँ, शुभ चिंतकों का उनके खिलाफ बातें करना, ठीक है। अच्छा, उसके बाद कई जो था दादाजी की मृत्यु, उसके बाद दादाजी की मृत्यु हो जाना, उसके बाद वो उनको सोच सोच के बैठी रोती रहती थी। उसके बाद जब लेखक ने देख लिया तो उनको बताया नहीं उन्होंने और बात को टालकर उन्हें खाना खिलाने ले गई। उसके बाद क्या होता है बेटे, जब पिताजी परेशान होकर बैठे थे, अब दादाजी जब मर गए थे तो उनके श्राप में उनके सारे पैसे लग जाना और कर्जा हो जाना। कर्जा यानी जब पैसे खत्म हो जाएंगे तो उधार लेंगे ना, तो उधार लेने पड़े पिताजी को। अब पिताजी बैठे परेशान हो रहे थे तो उन्होंने कर्जा चुकाने के लिए अपना सोने का कंगन पिताजी को दे दिया। यही सब बातें जो था लेखक याद कर रहा था। अब वो दोबारा से वहीं आ जाता है जहां से उसने सोचना शुरू किया था, यानी उसके हाथों में वो पत्र है। पत्र को पढ़ रहा है कि दादी इस दुनिया में नहीं रही और रोए जा रहे हैं और ये सोच रहे हैं कि मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि अब दादी इस दुनिया में नहीं रही। बेटे बहुत अच्छा चैप्टर है, ठीक है। तो आप क्या करेंगे, एक बार इसको दोबारा से पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। और कल मैं आपका यस होमवर्क इज देयर, मैं दूंगी होमवर्क। मैं होमवर्क दे रही हूँ आपको कि आपको सारा चैप्टर अच्छे से पढ़ के आना है। कल मैं इसकी क्विज लेने जा रही हूँ, क्विज यानी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पुटअप करूंगी, आपको आंसर देना है। जो बच्चा सबसे पहले हाथ खड़े करेगा उसको मैं मार्क्स दूंगी, उसको नंबर दिए जाएंगे जो बच्चा सबसे पहले हाथ खड़े करके आंसर देगा। 20 क्वेश्चंस वर देयर, ओके। 20 क्वेश्चन होंगे चैप्टर से रिलेटेड। एक एक बच्चा चैप्टर अच्छे से पढ़कर आएगा। फाइन, चलिए ओके लिखिए सभी, ओके लिखिए। यस, अच्छे से चैप्टर को पढ़ना है, कल क्विज के लिए रेडी रहिएगा। ओके बेटा, वेडनेसडे, दिस वेडनेसडे मेरी क्लास है क्या? कल बेटे कल मेरी क्लास नहीं है। नेक्स्ट जब होगी तब मैं क्विज का
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay.
पता है लेकिन
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
ये बोला आपसे
Good afternoon to you
Good
all.
afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
उम्मीद है
Good. Good to see you all there.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून
मैम।
Happy Earth Day, everyone.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Okay.
साइंस की
One.
एग्जाम की पढ़ाई हो रही है एग्जाम की।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Manav.
हैप्पी अर्थ डे मैम। गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
All right. I've checked the work. Many of the students have sent me the
हेलो
work,
मानव।
right? And I have checked out that one. It was done
हेलो
nicely.
अंश,
Even after telling you that for the same day, whatever work I assigned you, that you were not supposed to finish on that day itself. But still, many students have sent the work on the same day. So that just what is up with it? Just I would like you all. It's for the first 2 minutes that I unmute you all, but I expect that you can mute yourself if there is noise from your end.
Okay, ma'am.
Kanishka Munjal,
Excuse me, ma'am.
mute yourself.
Ma'am, today's quiz.
Yes, I'll be taking the quiz today. Pradhan, come and sit here. So I'll be taking the quiz, and for quiz part, I hope you are all done with that chapter, fiber to fabric. All Everybody is prepared? Just give a thumbs up if you're prepared. All you have raised your hand. Yes, Nitika? Nitika, tell me for what reason you raised your hand?
I was
You raised.
in the previous class. I raised my hand.
Okay, for Hindi you raised your hand. Fine. Shania also, I think for the previous lesson only she has raised hand. Now she's lowered down. Okay. So we have 30 students with us. How come many of the students are not there still?
Ma'am, many students also left.
But I don't know for what reason. Maybe they're either not doing their work, because in Hindi lesson when I joined you at the last, there were 40 students in all, 40 participants rather. Hello, hardly it matters, but yes, those who have prepared well, obviously they will be gained. I'll just start with,
Ma'am, the chats are disabled.
I know the chats are disabled. I'll enable that chat. I'll enable the chat also. Let me just count on for how many in all are present today. And after that, I'll be enabling the chat.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to write in the chat the
Yes,
answer.
we will be doing it from the chat option. Answers you'll be writing from chat. But yes, you will be sending it to me privately. There are options, na?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
not to
Okay,
everyone,
ma'am.
because otherwise you will be helping your friends with that. And
Yes,
to me
ma'am.
also, if you are chatting other than the answers, to me it will be clearly visible, and I will remove that person who's not attentive in the class.
Okay,
Whosoever
ma'am.
will be disturbing the class, I might remove that child.
आज
So I hope that the things are very clear, because we need to take up the things very seriously. As maybe that
अरे बहुत बच्चों ने
in,
की, यशिका ने भी नहीं की, मनीषा ने भी नहीं की.
if you are
जो
talking,
आता होगा लिख दूंगी.
Ma'am, it will be one word or the destination
क्या?
part.
no, it will be objective
नहीं
type only.
answer
One word
ma'am.
answers, yes, no options, those kind.
Ma'am, चुप रहो. 1 minute.
I'll unmute. Now I am
Science
putting call on mute, right?
You will
And
ask questions with who
क्या?
partner.
if you have some query, you will be raising your hand. I have allowed you to chat, and those who have a query can raise their hand, so that then I'll start with the question answers round. Everybody prepared for the question answer round? If yes, then give a thumbs up quickly. Send me a thumbs up quickly. Very good. Tripti, I didn't get the thumbs up. Fine. Priya Tiwari, you need to keep your video on. Mrinalika, Anshdeep, please put your video on. Anshdeep, Mishta, Shivam, Manya Shukla. Hurry up everybody, please. Manishta, you need to start your video. Priya Tiwari, Anmol Bisht, Aradhya Singh, Anmol is there, fine. Arohi, okay, Shivam also has started. Anshdeep, Devansh, Arush, Manishta. Many of the students still have not started their video. Please be quick. We have 33 participants. All right. So now taking up first question. First, let me ask you if there were any doubts from the previous chapter that we did, silk portion and wool portion from fiber to fabric. If anybody has some doubt in that, you can just raise hand. Raise hand if you have some doubt. Because first I would like to take up your queries, so that when I'm asking you the question, then you don't say, ki, ma'am, this point I didn't understand. Fine. So no hands up. It means everybody. Manya Arora raised hand. Manya Arora to every time has her doubts only. Yes, Manya?
Ma'am, ma'am, what is sericulture? Ma'am, yesterday there was a lot of
Agriculture is
network problem.
breeding, rearing and breeding of the silkworms for production of silk.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? It is
Thank you.
related to culture. Culture means rearing and breeding. Breeding and rearing both are included in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone?
Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? Is there anyone else who has doubt? Okay, fine. All right, Manishta, you cannot start that because of computer part. It's okay. Fine. So shall I start with the question answers? Thumbs up quickly, and then with chat to privately to me, you will be answering the things. Dharya said yes, 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 fine. Okay. Komalpreet, sit attentively. Yes, and you have to send me the answers through your chat box option. First question. Starting with the first question. What do we call those diseases which a person gets from the workplace? No, no, Manya Arora, no. Yes, third one had given me the correct answer. Let me check who's the first one who said this. Manya Shukla has given the correct answer. Anam has given the correct answer. Fine. Now Manya Arora, Arohi, all. Right. So I'll be telling you once I get the 3 correct answers. Fine. 3, 4, 5. Yashika also occupational hazard. Manishta occupational. Fine. Now everybody got to know that these are called as occupational hazards. Some students have written just hazards. Hazards means the problems. But when they are coming up from some kind of occupation, in particular, we call them as occupational hazards. Those are the occupational hazards. Fine. Somebody has written anthrax. Anthrax is one of the example of occupational hazard. In general, it is occupational hazard, and anthrax basically happens to those who work as sorters in the wool industry. Now, let me take up the second question. Now, no more answers for first question. No more answers for first question now. Now, second question. Removal of the top fine layer of the hair along with a dead skin layer is called dash. Okay, many of the correct answers I'm getting. All right, now I'll be reading out for the top 5 students who gave me the answer. First of all, so first of all, it was from here. It is Rishit Singh, then it is Manya Shukla, then after Manya Shukla, who else has given the correct answer? Many of the students. All right. Okay. Fine. So it is coming up for the first few students as the first one who answered correctly. The answer for this is shearing. It was correctly given by Rishit Singh, Manya Shukla, and then Manav Rawat. Afterwards, Anya Batra and many more students also have given the answer as shearing. Anam, Manishta, Mrinalika, Nitika, Manya Shukla, Yashika. Arohi, your answer is wrong, beta. It is not scouring, it is shearing. Removal of a dead layer of skin along with the body hair for wool. Arohi has written shearing now, other shearing, Dharya shearing, other Shukla shearing. All right. So you got the answer for this also. Fine. It means that Okay. So second answer was shearing. Now third question. No more answers for the second one to be given now. Third question I'm going to ask. We get a very soft hair which is close to the skin, which provides us wool. What do we call that soft hair near the body? Adarsh Shukla, spelling is wrong, but yes, Aradhya also, Arohi, then Manya, fine. Stuti, dead skin is wrong answer, beta. Mudit's answer is wrong. Nitika is fine. Manav is correct. Shreyas is correct. Adarsh Shukla is correct. Okay. So let me tell the answer. Many of you have already given. Anshdeep also is saying, Priya, your answer is wrong, beta. Bhavesh, answer is wrong. Question said, what do we call that fine hair which is near the skin and is used to obtain wool? That is called as fleece. F-L-E-E-C-E. Yes, now Bhavesh, you have given the correct answer. Please listen to the question carefully when I'm asking it. Clear? Because these one-word answers are going to give you the concept part of the chapter. Now moving on to next question for today. Manvi Agarwal has a doubt here. Let me take up the doubt. Yes, Manvi. Manvi, my voice is not clear. Manya Arora, I have already been telling you who answered first. I called out the first 5 names earlier only. As soon as I start getting the answers, I called out those names. Again, if you wish, I'll just tell you who were the first. Still, is it cracking? So the first students who answered it correctly, they were Manya Arora, Adarsh Shukla, Yashika Joshi, Aradhya Singh and Arohi Gagneja. Then Manya Arora again written the correct spelling. Then it was Anya, Stuti and all. Fine. So other students also give the correct answers afterwards. Now let me take up the other question now. Fine. Now starting. Beta, maybe when I'm saying the question, I don't know for what reason. Maybe due to some network issues. Am I audible now clearly? Am I clearly audible now? If yes, give a thumbs up.
No, ma'am.
Still not audible, but many of you are giving up the thumbs up here. So maybe at times there are network issues because of which the voice cracks up. Yashika Joshi raised hand. No, she lowered down. Fine. Let me ask the other question now. Next question is, name the bacteria which causes Sorter's disease. All right. Correct answers I'm getting. Very good. Very good. So the first answers, first it came from Pradyun. Then Anya, you wrote the wrong spelling. Manya Arora, you gave the correct answer. Dhairya Agarwal, correct answer. Shivam. Then Manya Shukla, Manav. Arohi, your answer is wrong, beta. Yashika, your answer is also wrong. Anam, the spelling is A-N-T-H-R-A-X. Anthrax. Aradhya, spelling wrong is there. Komalpreet has given correct answer. Meenakshi is given fine. Good. Manishta. Priya, Bhavesh, Shreyas, Nitika. Nitika, spelling is wrong, beta. Stuti, correct the spelling. Anya, AX to be written. Vishesh, anthrax, beta, spelling is wrong. Mudit has also given. Anthracite is wrong. Manav, your answer is wrong. It is not anthracite. Chalo. Fine. Now taking up the other question. Next question. Listen to the... Mishta, the spelling is still wrong, beta. A-N-T-H-R-A-X. That is the correct spelling. Clear? Okay. Now next question. Rishit, your spelling is wrong. Anya, I started with the first 5 names only, beta, when I said. And it becomes difficult for me to every time check from the chat box. Okay? So when I start saying that these students have given the correct answers, it was Pradyun who gave it first, and then it was Anya also was there. with the next. Okay. So here I go for the next question. This is a different question. You need to just understand कि क्या पूछना चाह रही हूँ. The resting stage. Resting stage मतलब जब वो rest stage में है. When it is not very active. The resting stage of caterpillar is the time when it builds dash. Good, good, very good. Many of the answers I'm getting, and so quickly I'm getting the answers. Oh God. So the answers started from yes, it started from because Pradyun was just sitting next to me and he was telling me the answer. So Manya said, speak slowly. Okay. So you also take a notebook and write it. I'll read it from that part. Bhavesh's answer is wrong. Pradyun gave the correct answer. After Pradyun, it was through chat. So it is like so many messages come up over there. One second. Abhi, I am reading out fourth again. This is. So the correct answer for this is what it builds during that time is cocoon. So the answer was given by Pradyun first, and then it was given by, this was the previous question only, which is given here. Yeah. Then Manav Rawat gave this answer. Stuti gave the correct answer, but the spelling was wrong. Mudit gave the correct answer. Rishit Singh gave the correct answer. Very good. Anya Batra. Then it was Aradhya Singh. Shivam. Nitika, your spelling was wrong, beta. For cocoon. Anam Chaudhary also gave the correct answer. Then Manya Arora gave the correct answer. Yashika, the spelling is correct, but Mrinalika, you have given the wrong spelling. You have written the wrong spelling there. Priya Tiwari, the spelling is wrong. Otherwise, it's correct. Devansh, Anshdeep, Komalpreet. Tripti, the spelling is wrong, beta. Bhavesh, it's not pupa. I asked, it is dash building. Pupa is the stage, basically resting stage where caterpillar grows into pupa. And what it builds is cocoon. So it is the cocoon building stage. Okay. Taking up the next question. Shall I say the next question? All right, now for the next question, it is, I didn't say the question. Okay, Manishtha. Maybe because of network problem, she's not able to listen. Whatever you are getting to listen, just write down the answer accordingly. Now, next question I'm asking you. Yes, question is, llama and alpaca are breeds of dash. Alpaca and llama, good. Yashika has given correct. Arohi, Adarsh, very good. I started getting the answers. It was first given by it started with, yes, first of all, Anya, then Manya Arora, then Mudit, then Yashika. Arohi, your answer is wrong, beta. Then Harshit has given the, Rishit Singh has given the correct answer. Manya Shukla, Shreyas, Priya, Adarsh Shukla, all have given the correct answer. After that, I'm getting. Aradhya, your answer is wrong, beta. Alpaca and llama, they are the breeds of camel. So the correct answer is camel. Okay. Vanshika Bhala, please be attentive. When you are sitting in the class, sit properly. Vanshika, yes, sit properly, beta. You are not answering the questions. You are simply listening to what others are saying. Yes, Vanshika, why have you not answered?
Ma'am, I am answering, but when I answer, you speak the answer.
but I'm not getting your answers here. मेरे पास एक भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आया आपका. You need to write down that na. Under the chat option, you need to type the answer. हरनूर, बेटा लेट के आप आंसर कैसे टाइप कर रहे हो? You have also not sent me this. Send me the answers when I'm asking the questions. Yes, Harnoor, अब बोलो. You have not sent the answers ना? हरनूर, आवाज ही नहीं आ रही आपकी. Meenakshi Tiwari. Meenakshi, are you getting the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Now taking up next question. Next question is, what is the process called as by which we choose the desired breeds of sheep having desired features? What do we call that process? Very good, Shivam. Manav Rawat. Manya Shukla, Arohi, good. Mrinalika, answer was half. Shreyas is correct. Adarsh Shukla, Anya Batra, good. Very good. Manvi, your answer is wrong, beta. Dhairya is correct. Manya Arora, Yashika Joshi, Anshdeep is correct. Mrinalika also has given the correct answer. Vanshika, your answer is wrong. The correct answer for this question is selective breeding. It's not shearing. The question is, what do we call that process by which the desired features can be brought about? So that is called as selective breeding. Hope that this is clear to everybody now. Okay. So then just get me one book. Thanks. Now I'll ask you more questions. Yes. An important point. You need to write down this point somewhere. Okay? Just note down this point. The other book. We studied about two fibers. One was wool and the other one was silk. Okay. When we compare these two, wool jo tha, that is body hair, and silk jo hai, that is also the saliva part. तो वूल के अंदर कौन सा प्रोटीन होता है और सलाइवा में क्या चीज प्रेजेंट होती है, जिसके कारण वूल और सिल्क की बर्निंग स्मेल्स थोड़ी डिफर करती हैं. जस्ट नोट डाउन दीज टू टर्म्स. वूल इज मेड अप ऑफ, वूल इज मेड अप, इसको आप अपनी नोटबुक में ब्लैंक पेज पे एक क्लाउड फॉर्म के अंदर लिख सकते हो. नोटबुक में वेयर एवर देयर इज स्पेस ऑन द ब्लैंक पेज ना, जस्ट मेक अ क्लाउड, एक छोटा सा ऊपर हाईलाइट करता हुआ क्लाउड बनाओ और उसके अंदर लिखो. Clear? That wool is made up of keratin. K-E-R-A-T-I-N. Keratin. Wool is made up of a chemical called as keratin. K-E-R-A-T-I-N. And second thing, for silk, it is made up of, silk is made up of, Rishit, it's not beta I nahi, K-E-R-A-T-I-N. K-E-R-A-T-I-N. Keratin. And next is, for silk part, silk is made up of a chemical called fibrin. F-I-B-R-O-I-N. 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 Am I clear? This is made up of a chemical called as fibrin. F-I-B-R-O-I-N. This is for silk. Okay, now moving back to the question part. Has everybody noted it down? If yes, just give a thumbs up quickly. Okay. So we had studied about two chemicals, keratin and fibrin. Keratin is present in wool and fibrin is present in silk. Now next is a term which you must know. एक term और ध्यान से सुनना आप. एक word होता है crimp. CRIMP. आपको सिर्फ समझना है ये क्या होता है. CRIMP. क्रिम्प का मतलब होता है जो कोई वूल होती है, वूल के ऊपर कई बार क्या होता है, उसके अंदर ना थोड़ी इलास्टिसिटी होती है जिसके कारण वो बेंड हुई रहती है. सो द नेचुरल बेंड विच इज देयर, कर्ल हो जाती है वो एकदम से, उन कर्ल्स को हम बोलते हैं क्रिम्प्स. CRIMPS. क्रिम्प्स आर नेचुरल blends in the, they are the natural bendings in the fiber, wool fiber में. Yes, CRIMPS. All right. So crimp क्या होगा? CRIMP. ये एक न्यू टर्म है. crimp, which is हर वूल फाइबर के अंदर एक नेचुरल टेंडेंसी होती है कि वो थोड़ा सा गोल घूम जाता है. So that is termed as crimp. One child has raised hand. No, that child lowered down the hand again. Okay. Now taking up, moving back to the question part. Let me ask you the questions again. Shall I start with the question again? Okay, बेटा क्रिम्प का मतलब होता है जो एक वूल का सिंगल धागा है, वो वूल जो होती है ना ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरली घूमी हुई होती है थोड़ी सी, उसके अंदर बेंड्स होते हैं. सो दोज नेचुरल बेंड्स इन द वूल, दे आर कॉल्ड एज क्रिम्प. उसको बोला जाता है क्रिम्प. Is it clear to everybody now? Fine. Now I'll just take up two more questions. Last two questions of today's quiz. And homework part में for today, like revision I had taken up in the class, आपका homework है कि आपको ये chapter learn करना है. Understood? आपको ये chapter learn करना है, जो भी आपका notebook work हुआ है उसके accordingly. Because quite possible that you will be having your PA1 online only. आपके PA1s online ही होंगे और उसमें आपके 3 chapters are to be asked. साइंस में से फर्स्ट वन न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स, वो हमने कर लिया, रिवाइज भी कर लिया. सेकंड वन फाइबर टू फैब्रिक. अब इसके बाद थर्ड चैप्टर फिजिक्स का करेंगे, हीट. क्लियर? इसके बाद थर्ड चैप्टर फिजिक्स का करेंगे, बट दैट चैप्टर आई विल स्टार्ट इन जूम पे या जैसे भी, दैट यू विल बी टोल्ड. वो आप लोगों की जब पीटीएम होगी, वी विल बी टेलिंग यू एज एंड व्हेन वी गेट टू नो क्लियर आइडिया ऑफ इट. तो जैसे क्लियर आइडिया मिलेगा, वी विल टेल यू. ऑल राइट? But for now, what you have to do, you start learning these things also, ताकि आपका preparation भी side by side चलता रहे. Although I'm taking test, पूरा revision भी साथ के साथ ले रही हूँ, but yes, for long question answers, you need to learn the things also. अच्छा, एक problem आ रही थी last time the homework which I sent, जिसमें silk का life cycle दिखाया हुआ था. उसमें many of you asked me personally, मेरे पास WhatsApp पे message आ रहे थे कि the figure was not clear. उसमें ऑप्शंस क्या थी देखो. फर्स्ट पॉइंट वाज, प्रदीप गिव मी अ नोटबुक. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट दैट वाज रिटन देयर, इट वाज एग्स लेड बाय, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट वाज, दैट्स इट. इट वाज, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट वाज रिलेटेड टू एग्स. इज इट क्लियर? फर्स्ट पॉइंट वाज एग्स. सेकंड पॉइंट वाज कैटरपिलर. सेकंड स्टेज पे इट वाज कैटरपिलर. थर्ड स्टेज इट इज कोकून. Fourth stage पे it is pupa growing inside the cocoon. Then next is an adult moth, means when it grows completely. And after that, male and female moth, they mate. Mating is a process for reproduction, and then they reproduce. So I hope that in case if you had some doubts over there, now they are clear. Is it clear to everybody? And hope that you have drawn these things in your notebook. If yes, just give a thumbs up. Okay, very good. चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं अभी एक. Last question for today. We have almost 5 minutes left for the class. Manishtha, for homework part, I'll just update you. Wait, let me check out. For chapter 2, some students only have sent me the homework. For chapter 2, I have got it for Dhairya, Manishtha, Pradyun, Shiven, Shivraj, Shivam, Yashika, then Bhavesh, Manav, Manjot, Manya Arora, Manya Shukla, Nitika, then Shreyas Pojar. For these students, I have got the homework for second chapter. Okay. All those who have sent it to me, Priya Tiwari and all, if you're saying, I'll just cross check because I checked it on Monday. Your day for homework submission was Monday, na? So Monday in the evening, I checked out and I got for these. Bhavesh, I have one thing to tell you. Where is Bhavesh now? Let me check and unmute him first. Aradhya Singh on personal number. See, I'm not able to take a track of those who are sending me on the WhatsApp part. That's why I say, please send it to me on my mail ID. Only then I would be able to keep a note of it. Because on my phone, many of the messages keep on coming up and it becomes difficult for me to put a tick every time. So please make it your habit to send me the homework. And Mudit also has sent me the homework on Gmail. Mudit, I want it on my Rediff mail only. Fine, Priya, if you have sent to me in the morning today, I can't send in Gmail. Tripti. Why so, Tripti? Yes, Tripti?
Ma'am, when I am sending the homework, it is coming address not found. Again and
Maybe
again.
आप अंडरस्कोर नहीं लगा रहे बेटा, वो अंडरस्कोर है. इट इज शिवाली अंडरस्कोर खन्ना. ठीक है, आप नेम ध्यान से उसमें आईडी डालो बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग इट फॉर ऑल अदर्स. यस गुनीव.
Ma'am, I had also sent my all homework till chapter 2.
I got that. I remember Guneev ka name was there. Then Arohi, Adarsh Shukla on Monday you will be sending fine. देखो अब जिसका रह गया ना मुझे Monday ही भेजेगा. Yes Arohi.
Ma'am, have you got my homework?
But when I say the list part ना, I keep on telling. ठीक है? It's very difficult for me to keep a track every time क्योंकि कई बार क्या हो रहा है आप मुझे सिर्फ Monday ही homework भेजोगे जो आपका day assigned है. बिकॉज उसके बीच में क्या होता है कभी मेरे पास पर्टिकुलर डे पे 9th का आना है तो उसके बीच में आप भेजोगे तो दैट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू ट्रैक आउट. सो यू नीड टू सेंड मी द होमवर्क ऑन द डिफाइंड डे ओनली.
मैम जैसे गुनीव ने कहा कि उसका भी एड्रेस नॉट फाउंड आता है. मैम मेरा भी कभी कभी कुछ जब मैं भेजी तो उस पे एड्रेस नॉट फाउंड आता है.
आप देखो अगर आप एक बार भेज चुके हो ना तो कोई गलती होगी ही नहीं उस पे. आपको उसी एड्रेस पे भेजना है और नीचे अंडरस्कोर है वो. आप उस अंडरस्कोर की जगह कहीं ब्लैंक दे देते होगे बीच में. ऑलराइट, आप ब्लैंक कर देते हो तो गलत हो जाएगा. आप अगर वहां पर अंडरस्कोर की जगह डैश लगा दोगे तो एड्रेस नॉट फाउंड आएगा. इट इज शिवाली अंडरस्कोर लगाना है एंड देन यस रेडिफ वाले पे ही भेजना है. मुदित रेडिफ मेल आईडी आई हैव सेंट ऑन द ग्रुप आल्सो बेटा. जहां आपका होमवर्क सबमिशन का शेड्यूल आया हुआ है उसके साथ मेरी रेडिफ आईडी लिखी हुई है. It is Shivali _ Khanna 01 @rediffmail.com. REDIFFMAIL. I hope that's clear.
मैम जैसे आपने कहा कि हमारे एग्जाम्स हो सकते हैं तो मैम वो MCQ फॉर्म में होंगे या फिर जैसे होते हैं?
नहीं बेटा बेसिकली ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा. अभी बाकी देखते हैं. वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. सो जब एग्जैक्टली फाइनलाइज हो जाएंगी चीजें यू विल कम टू नो. ठीक है
ओके मैम.
फाइन. अच्छा चलो फटाफट से एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं बिकॉज द टाइम इज गेटिंग ओवर. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रेसिंग एंड कॉम्बिंग द हेयर स्ट्रेट. चैट के थ्रू फटाफट ऑप्शंस भेजो मुझे आंसर. वेरी गुड. शिवम यादव, मानव, आन्या बत्रा, नितिका. स्काउरिंग इज रॉन्ग बेटा. यशिका has given the correct answer. Fine. Arohi, okay, there is correct. Manya Arora is correct. Anshdeep, your answer is wrong, beta. Dhairya Agarwal is fine. It is right. The correct answer for this is carding.
Carding.
Right? It is carding. When we press those fine hairs between the rollers और उससे उसको straight कर देते हैं. तो rollers के बीच में press करके that is called as carding. So I hope that this was all for today's lesson. Abhi for 1 minute I'll just unmute you all. Yes, beta. Now I
Ma'am.
hope the things are clear. Yes, Yashika. Yashika, you want to say
Ma'am.
something?
Ma'am, I have sent my chapter 2 homework privately.
बेटा होमवर्क ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप व्हाट यू आर सेंडिंग मैं उसका ट्रैक नहीं रख सकती हूँ, ठीक है, बिकॉज मेरे पास बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं, सारी डिफरेंट क्लासेस के आते हैं, तो मेरे को बार बार अपना नोटबुक उठा के लिख के जाना इज डिफिकल्ट. यस यशिका नाउ.
Ma'am, chapter 2 is nutrition in animals.
नहीं वो हमारा चैप्टर 2 हमने जो चैप्टर 2 किया है आपको वो न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स बाद में करेंगे. वी हैव टेकन
Okay, ma'am.
one from bio, one from chemistry, one from physics now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
remember न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स हम बाद में करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we won't be following the sequence part, we will take it like कि तीनों हमारे subjects parallel चले, physics, chemistry and bio.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Exams के लिए you will be doing exams कैसे होंगे. चलो. For today, your homework is that you have to learn the concept. Now chapter 3 का आपको learning करना है question.
Okay, ma'am.
Answers, short question
Okay, ma'am.
answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Very important. So diagrams.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Nitika.
Ma'am, when I explained the process that how the silk is prepared, and I was not able to connect the class.
Which one?
Ma'am, silk part.
Silk part. Have you read the silk portion from book? PDF से read किया?
Ma'am, not whole, ma'am, little bit.
Homework. आन्या म्यूट कर लो बेटा प्लीज. Yes, निकिता. बेटा आपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स किए इसके सिल्क वाले पोर्शन के जो मैंने लिखे थे कीवर्ड्स.
Shivali ma'am.
यस मान्या.
Ma'am, like I have done that yesterday's homework. So,
I
मतलब
know.
sorry.
मंडे का होमवर्क मंडे किया और मंडे को ही भेज भी दिया मुझे, जबकि मैंने स्पेशली मना किया था क्लास में कि प्लीज डू नॉट सेंड मी द वर्क दैट डे इटसेल्फ. मैं उसको करेक्ट नहीं मानूंगी, मैं उसको बाद में ही चेक करूंगी जब मेरे पास सबका आ जाएगा उस पार्ट का.
तो मैम वो दोबारा तो नहीं सेंड करूँ ना?
पनिशमेंट तो यही होनी चाहिए कि दोबारा सेंड करो.
ओके मैम.
ताकि तुम्हें आगे से ध्यान रहेगा कि हाँ मुझे जल्दी भी नहीं भेजना है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है.
ओके.
यशिका ने भी भेजा है मेरे को. थर्ड वाला पार्ट नहीं भेजा. लेट मी चेक. मैंने नोट तो कर लिया है बट आई हैव नॉट पुट इट एज करेक्ट वन. आई हैव गॉट दैट फॉर 2 times फ्रॉम. अच्छा मनजोत ने भेजा है, मान्या शुक्ला ने भेजा है, मान्या अरोड़ा ने भेजा है, यशिका ने नहीं भेजा. यशिका ने जो पूछा हुआ था उतना ही भेजा है. गुड है ना. एक्सपेक्ट मतलब पता है जब आपको बोला जाता है ना कि कितना भेजना है तो उतना ही भेजो, बिकॉज टीचर्स भी बेटा सारा का सारा एक साथ आता है तो दे कैन नॉट कीप अ ट्रैक, तो आपके लिए भी मुश्किल हो जाएगी बात.
ओके मैम.
चलो.
थैंक यू मैम.
The content from 3rd chapter. Okay. All right. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
बाय मैम.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय मैम. बाय मैम.